Hey guys, so welcome to a day in the life of an MD PhD. My name's Abhinav. I'm actually going to be a first year MS student this upcoming August. But what's cool right now is that I get to do a little bit of my PhD work. Right now I'm doing rotations, so I get to go through different labs and figure out what I like, how I interact with the PI, and if I can see myself doing a project in the future. So with that being said, I want to take you through a day of my life, and here's to the beginning. Well, I just woke up, so time for a shower. And there we go. So I'm about to head off to the hospital now, where the research is being conducted. I'll probably actually even show you some of the cell images that we get. It's actually pretty cool stuff. So with that, I'm gonna actually catch a carpool now. Someone's actually driving me to and from the hospital every day. But funny enough, today is actually the last day of my rotation, so I'm gonna get a bunch of data today, and hopefully it'll look good because I have to give a presentation on Monday about everything that I did. So I kind of wanted to explain the whole MD PhD thing because it kind of sounds weird that we're doing stuff before even school starts. But when you're in an MD PhD program, at least in my program where I'm at, we have to do rotations in the first 2 summers, the summer before our first year of med school and the summer after our first year of med school. And we do rotations through labs, about 2 per year. And we kind of just have to pick labs that are associated with the school and figure out how we kind of mesh with the PI, the principal investigator, the one that's actually running the lab, what kind of projects they're running and things like that. So that's what I'm currently doing. So this is my 2nd rotation that I'm finishing, but next summer there will be another 2 rotations, and after that I get to finally pick my PI and for my PhD, which will happen after my 2nd year of med school. So if you want to learn more about the timeline, I have a video up on my channel about the first video I've ever published. So go check that out. That's a really in-depth video about how the MD PhD timeline works and why I decided to pursue that. So with that being said, I'll see you in the hospital. I just finished up doing some experiments, and now I'm heading to lunch. I'm actually kind of ended early today, so that's a good sign. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later, and I'll talk to you about what I did today. And that's a wrap, guys. That's the end of my rotations, and med school is going to be starting in 1 week. So it was pretty fun rotation season. I got to visit 2 cool labs, both doing interesting things. One of them I actually got to work with flies, and the other one I got to use my previous skills in cell culturing. And speaking of cell culturing, if you want to get a video about that, about my previous research experiences, please let me know and I would love to talk about it. I think it was pretty cool stuff, and I could even go through my research papers and explain a little bit about what I did and the experiences that I got. So the next thing is just to wait for a week and get med school started. Definitely going to be trying to meet some new people, and we're gonna get that white coat finally and get my ID. It's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be all worth it at the end because this is what it's been building up to. And watch out for future vlogs on my first day of med school, and make sure you subscribe to see that because that's gonna be a doozy, I bet. And with that, that's about it. I hope you have a nice day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.